Hey guys, Sebastian here with 4Runner Lifestyle, and today we'll be installing the Morimoto third brake light. So this is the third brake light right here. Morimoto just released these, and these are specifically for the 5th gen 4Runner. So right here is where your third brake light is located on the car. This is the one that we have on right now. The factory ones are usually a clear and it's incandescent. This one is LED with a red lens. We didn't have a factory one, but the process of swapping it out will be the exact same. Okay, so the first thing I'm noticing about this is this thing is sexy. It comes straight out of the box, blacked out, LED lights, super cool, aggressive look. I mean, guys, this thing is next level. So again, guys, I just need to reiterate that the stock one that comes on these has a clear lens and it's incandescent. Especially on a black vehicle, it just kind of stands out weird. It's one of those things when we first get our 4Runners, it's one of the very first things to upgrade. That's why we don't even have a stock one on this one. And this is definitely gonna black it out. If you have a darker colored 4Runner, this is gonna be a complete step up for you. Luckily for you guys, this install is going to be incredibly easy. You're gonna need one tool, a Phillips head screwdriver. Okay, so as you can see, we're up here with our third brake light right now. The screws are located on the underside right here. There's one on the right and one on the left, just two, and you're ready to go. Okay, so all we're gonna do is go ahead and put our screwdriver right up here into this screw and go ahead and unscrew it. You're gonna wanna be careful that you don't lose it. And then just go ahead and repeat that right over here on the other side. Unscrew it and keep one hand on the light just to keep everything nice and flush. Pull the screw out and then the light will just fall down just like that. So when you unscrew it, the only thing that's holding it still on the car is the wires itself. You'll need to undo it, and in order to do that, you'll turn it on its side right here and you'll see that there's a little clip right there. All you're gonna do is push down this plunger to pull it out. All right, and then what you're gonna wanna do is, I usually like to use my thumb and my pointer finger. You put your finger up here behind on the wires, and then you push down with your thumb, releasing it, and then with your other hand, just go ahead and pull on the light, and it should come straight out. Okay, now we have our replacement light right here. You're gonna go ahead and take the plug itself, and you're gonna put it in just like this. Make sure that your light, the flat side right here, is pointed up towards the top of the car. You're gonna push the clip in until you hear a click. Just like that. And now we're ready to replace our screws. Okay, so now we're gonna replace those screws that we took out earlier in the same holes right here. Use your other hand to hold the light in place while you screw this up. Again, take your screw, place it on the underside of the light itself, and go ahead and screw it until it's firm. Okay guys, so after that super difficult install, you have your light totally installed, ready to go, and it looks great. This right here is what it looks like off, and I'm gonna have my friend go ahead and push the brake for us. That's what it looks like on. That's it for this install, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more content like this, and everything you've seen on our video today will be linked down in the description below. Have a good one.